In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan project timelines in Lineup using Basecamp. This feature is an essential tool for any project manager looking to maintain a bird's-eye view of all active and upcoming projects, ensuring that everything is organized and on track. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Basecamp homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a tab at the top labeled Lineup. Go ahead and click on that. When Lineup opens, you'll find yourself looking at a clear timeline view of all your active and scheduled projects. This view is organized so that each project is represented by a horizontal bar, which visually illustrates the project's duration over time. This setup is particularly helpful as it allows you to easily grasp the timeline and overlap of various projects, making scheduling and planning much more intuitive. Let's dive into how you can add a project to Lineup, a crucial step in harnessing the full potential of this feature. To get started with adding a project, locate the Add to Lineup button. Sometimes, you might see this as a plus Add Project option instead. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to choose a project from your existing projects within your Basecamp account. This feature is designed to keep everything seamless and integrated, so you don't have to start anything from scratch. Simply select the project you wish to include in your timeline. Once you've chosen your project, setting the time frame is next. You'll need to establish a start date and an end date for the project. These dates are crucial because they dictate how the project is visually represented on your timeline. Think of this step like setting the parameters for a calendar event. It's about defining when your project officially begins and when it's expected to wrap up. Enter these dates carefully, keeping in mind how they fit into the broader scope of your team's workload and deliverables. After setting the dates, it's time to secure your inputs. Click the Save button. Upon doing that, your chosen project will transform into a colored bar on the lineup view. The color can help distinguish between different projects or denote priority levels, depending on how you configure your projects. It's all about making the timeline as understandable and insightful as possible at a glance. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to organize your project timelines within Basecamp. By leveraging Lineup, you ensure that all team members have a clear view of what lies ahead, harmonizing efforts and improving the efficiency and flow of your work. As you get more familiar with this feature, you'll likely find additional intuitive ways to customize and optimize it according to the unique demands of your projects. I hope this guide assists you in mastering project timelines with ease. Enjoy the streamlined planning process and stay organized.